Hello guys, good evening. Yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Explicit Tutorials. As you all know, I'm Tutor Joseph or Mr. Explicit. If you are new to this channel, which is The Explicit Tutorials, it is very important to subscribe so that when I upload a new content, you would be notified by YouTube, okay? My channel is focused on teaching mathematics, physics, chemistry, and biology, okay? Then I also do videos on Uniben's on level courses. That is courses you are likely to offer in your first year in the University of Benin. All right, I already have videos on these courses. So as you come into Uniben, you will also be faced. You get to see videos on the courses you are offering in your first year. I hope that is understood. And your UTME is commencing few days from now, precisely 14 days from now, which is it's commencing on the 19th of April, which is this month. So I have here 300 questions you are likely to see. That is compiled questions on movement, respiration, nutrition, irritability, growth, excretion, and what? Reproduction, competition, adaptation, and what? Development. Mr. Ninja card. It does not end there. You also have sense organs, you have a nervous system, you have digestive system, and you have what? Endocrine system. You see, these topics cover almost half of biology, and I've compiled 300 good questions on these topics, the questions you are likely to see. It's not possible we go through all the questions right now. So please, it is important to subscribe so that when I upload content on this segment and other segments, physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology, you get to be notified by YouTube. Okay, so let's get started. They said leech and lubricants are dash. Lubricus is the zoological name of earthworm. All right. So leech and earthworm, or leech and lubricus are dash. A. Annelids. B. Mollusk. C. Coelenterate. D. Nematodes. So if you happen to see this kind of question, what would you choose? Is it annelids? Is it mollusk? Is it coelenterate or nematodes? Please, leech and lubricus are both annelids. Take note of that. Number 2 says, which of these types of skeleton is most appropriate to annelids and nematodes? You know, nematodes are otherwise called roundworms. Which of these types of skeleton is most appropriate to annelids and nematodes? Option A, hydrostatic skeleton. B, exoskeleton. C, endoskeleton. D, bony skeleton. And E, cartilaginous skeleton. I take it again. Which of these types of skeleton is most appropriate to annelids and nematodes? Hydrostatic skeleton, exoskeleton, endoskeleton, bony skeleton, and cartilaginous what? Skeleton. So what is the answer? The answer is what? Hydrostatic skeleton. This type of skeleton is found in soft bodies animals such as the annelids and nematodes. They are soft body animals and they have a hydrostatic type of what? Skeleton. You know, we have three types of skeleton: the endo, the enzo, and what? The hydrostatic. So number 3, shark possesses dash. Is it hydrostatic skeleton? Is it exoskeleton? Is it dense fibrous skeleton? Is it bony skeleton or cartilaginous skeleton? The answer is cartilaginous what? Skeleton, except the tooth. The tooth of a shark is bony. Do you understand that? It is bony, but other part of shark is made up of cartilage. Please take note of that. Number 4, tilapia and cat possesses which of these type of skeletons? We have hydrostatic, we have exo, we have elastic, we have bony, and we have what? Cartilaginous. So which of them do you think is peculiar to tilapia and catfish? Please, the answer is bony skeleton. Tilapia and catfish possess bony skeleton. Number 5. The neck region of tapeworm, that is the tenia, is responsible for dash. The neck region of tapeworm, that is tenia, is responsible for dash. Option A, production of eggs. How possible is that? B, storage of eggs. Okay. C, formation of new segments. D, development of the suckers. And E, fragmentation of the body segment. Please note that the neck region of tapeworm is meant for the formation of what? New segments. Below the neck region, we have the proglottids. We have three types of proglottids. We have the immature proglottids, we have the mature proglottids, and we now have the gravid proglottids. It is inside the gravid proglottids you have the ovaries and testes. That is why they will tell you that these organisms are monoecious, or they are bisexual, or they are hermaphrodites. Do you understand that? Because the two sexes are found in one organism. Okay. So number 6, the association between tapeworm and man is dash. Of course, you need not be giving options in this kind of question. The answer is what? Parasitism. Parasitism is a type of feeding association that exists between two organisms. One of them is a parasite, while the other is host. The parasite feeds at the expense of the host, thereby causing it what? Harm. Okay, so it is what? Parasitism. Number 7, we'll stop at question 10 for today. Then as time goes on, we'll look at other questions. Number 7, the two types of tapeworms are distinguished by which of these? The two types of tapeworms are distinguished by which of these? Now, the two types of tapeworms are Taenia solium and Taenia saginata. Taenia saginata is cattle tapeworm, while Taenia solium is pork tapeworm. So which of these distinguishes the both? Option A, is it hooks? Is it B, is it suckers? C, is it scolex? D, is it proglottids? And E, is it the neck? Please, the Taenia saginata does not have hook, but the Taenia solium does. So it is the hook that differentiates the Taenia solium from the Taenia saginata. Hope is clear enough. So number 8, blood fluke is also called dash. So they're asking us the scientific name or the zoological name of blood fluke. The options here are A, Fasciola hepatica, B, Ascaris lubricoides, C, Schizostoma hematobium, D, Wuchereria bancrofti, E, Onchocerca volvulus. I take it again. Blood fluke is also called, is it Fasciola hepatica? Is it Ascaris lubricoides? Is it Wuchereria bancrofti? Is it Onchocerca volvulus or Schizostoma hematobium? Please, Schizostoma hematobium is otherwise called blood fluke. Note, we have 3 species of blood fluke, but Jamb only focuses on only one species. The 3 species are Schizostoma hematobium, Schistosoma japonicum, and Schistosoma masoni. These are the 3 species of blood flukes. But the one you should know at this stage is the most distributed one, which is Schistosoma hematobium, otherwise called the blood fluke. Number 9, liver fluke. Liver fluke is also called, is it a Fasciola hepatica? Is it Wuchereria bancrofti? Is it Ascaris lubricoides? Is it Onchocerca volvulus or Schistosoma hematobium? The word Fasciola hepatica, the word hepatica at the end tells you is liver. So Fasciola hepatica is also called liver fluke, and it causes liver rot. Okay, and it's found in man, cattle, pig, and sheep. Do you understand that? Now the last one for today, that is number 10. Cattle tapeworm is A, Fasciola hepatica, B, Taenia solium, C, Schistosoma hematobium, D, Wuchereria bancrofti, and E, Taenia saginata. when I was explaining just now, I did mention that the Taenia solium is the pork tapeworm, while the Taenia saginata is the cattle tapeworm. So at this point, we'll call it a day. Endeavor to subscribe so that when I upload new content, you'll be notified by YouTube. Do have a wonderful day.